everyone, welcome to Snack Attack Online. My name is Rachel, I'm a registered dietitian, and I normally lead Snack Attack here at the Discovery Center. But since we can't have Snack Attack here in person right now, I thought we could post some snack videos for you to share some fun summer snacks while you're at home with your family this summer. So today I'm going to be making a recipe for some red, white, and blue nachos. This will be a fun snack that you can make at home with your family to celebrate the 4th of July. This is a recipe that I got actually from my daughter's Highlights magazine back in July of 2017. So this is the recipe, but we'll have it posted with this video as well, the ingredients and the recipe for you to make at home. So first, we'll go over what you'll need. There are 3 basic ingredients you need for this recipe. You need some blue corn tortilla chips. You'll need some salsa, about 1 cup. This can be any kind of salsa that you enjoy. And you'll need some white shredded cheddar cheese. Now you could use any kind of white shredded cheese. You could use mozzarella. Today we're using some Monterey Jack cheese, whatever you can find and whatever you like. So the first thing we're going to do, you need a pan, a 9x13 pan. I have it covered with foil. I like to do this to help make it easier to clean up at the end. So I cover the pan with foil. You could even spray a little bit of cooking spray on it in case any of that cheese drips down. It's easy to wipe off, ball it up and put it in the recycling. It makes it easy to clean up then at the end. So we have a pan covered in foil. We're going to spread our blue tortilla chips on the pan. So and you really can make this as big of a dish or as small of a dish as you want. Older kids could make this pretty easily all by themselves for a snack after school on a microwavable plate. Put the chips on there, your cheese and salsa, pop it in the microwave for 10 to 30 seconds depending on your microwave, and they have a nice individual snack. Or you can do it on a larger pan like this and get creative with your toppings and make it more into a meal even if you wanted to. But today we're going to stick with our red, white, and blue nachos on this size pan. So the next step, we have our chips spread out. We're going to spoon the salsa over the chips. And it doesn't have to be perfect, but you just kind of plop it on there all around the chips to cover that all. This is a mild salsa, but you could use spicy, just whatever kind you like. This salsa adds great vitamins and minerals with the tomatoes and onions and peppers that are in salsa. So we do that. And then we're going to sprinkle on about 1 cup of our shredded cheese. So again, just sprinkle that all around. This is a great part for young kids to help with. They can help sprinkle the cheese all across the chips. That's a really fun thing for them to help with. So we do that. Then if you want to do some additional toppings, some things could include some chopped tomatoes and some sliced olives. So we're going to do those today. Going to put a few olives on. Tomatoes and olives are a really great thing for young kids to help learn slicing and chopping skills in the kitchen. So this again is something you could have even as young as 3 or 4-year-olds. I've had help do this. I can show you with the tomato. We are using just some nice small Roma tomatoes. And for young children, 3 or 4 years old, if you have a plastic knife, that can pretty easily cut through these tomatoes or even the olives. And it's a really great way for the kids to start learning some of those skills of slicing. So to chop the tomatoes, we just slice through like this. And then we take some of those slices, and again, the kids can be doing this with a plastic knife, can do this. So we're gonna slice them one way, and then we turn it and slice the other way, so then we have some nice small pieces of tomato there that we can put on our nachos. So we're gonna spread those around, sticking with our red, white, and blue. Got red tomatoes. So we're gonna do that. Again, if you wanted to make this into a larger meal, you could add some drained black beans on top. You could add corn. You could add some refried beans or some sort of ground meat, either beef or chicken, seasoned with some taco seasoning. But again, for our red, white, and blue nachos, we're doing the blue tortilla chips, the red salsa, and the white shredded cheese. So it's pretty simple, quick and easy. We're gonna stick this into the oven. We set our oven on broil, and we're gonna stick it in there for about 3 minutes, and we'll show you what it looks like when it comes out. Okay, it's been about 3 minutes in the oven, so we're going to pull our nachos out, but before that, I would like to point out that I missed a very crucial step at the beginning of our snack. Whenever you're coming into the kitchen to prepare food or work with food, we need to wash our hands first. So, I hope you did that first this time. Next time, we'll be sure we do that at the beginning. And so now we're gonna pull out our nachos. Here we are. We have our yummy melted nachos. They're on our nice big pan. So we're, to serve them, you can, if you're at home with your family, just start pulling it off the pan. You can pull them up onto a plate like this and serve them this way on a plate, real nice. So that's our red, white, and blue nachos today. I hope you enjoy making this recipe at home with your family. Thanks for joining us for Snack Attack Online today.